Hey guys, it's your boy O'Brien Street, and in this video I'm gonna be talking about how can I promote an affiliate program on a low budget without Facebook or Google Ads. So basically I'm just gonna help you guys like people like us that probably not in the States or whatever, or don't have enough money to promote this amazing ad. So I'm just gonna give you four website right now that you can go promote your stuff and get people clicking on your link, getting sales. I have tried some of them, and I know people that have used one or two of them and they recommend them to me. So I'm just gonna let you guys know them right now. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to hear more from me. So let's dive right into this video. So the first one is Craigslist. Um, I've never posted an ad on this site, but in that case, I have emailed persons. Like I have searched for a person that are interested in making money online and stuff, and then I email them, and then they will email me back and tell me if they're interested or not. So, and I hear it's a place where you can create a post and post it on. So I, me myself, I've never posted any ads, but in this case, I know it's a pretty good site and you literally can find anything you want. So, and in your niche or whatever you're doing, so in this case, you're promoting an affiliate program. So, in whatever program that is, you can actually do that. And if people are interested in it, then they can click on your link and stuff. So, I would tell you guys to check out Craigslist. And before I finish, get back to this video, I'm just gonna let you guys know I'm gonna leave all the links of these sites right below this video, so please check the description for these links, and please don't forget to watch until the end of this video because I'm gonna share something special. I'm gonna share my number one recommended way on making money online. And so as I said, the first one is Craigslist, and the second one, me myself, I've never tried it. As I said, this one is the only one here I've never tried. So it's Adland Pro. So I've never tried this one, but I get it recommended from someone I trust, and they say it's a great one. So can I don't really know about it. Today is the first I'm hearing of this one. So Adland Pro, and the third one is Global Free Classified Ads.com. So me myself personally, I've posted ads on this. Sorry, me myself, I've posted ads on this, and I've been posting the ads in probably a couple months on this, but I've posted. I see I get views and get links and stuff. So even if you're building a YouTube channel and you want to get views, you literally can post your videos on these and get promo, and people will click on it and stuff. So I would say global free classified ads. You can go check it out, and I know it can work. So these are some of the ads I like literally run on it and think is still running. And what I should say, this is um it I believe it's 90 days or well, give me a sec. How long would the ads? And in the low budget, as I should say, in the low budget part, you actually can pay. So even though it's a free, you can run free ads here. You can pay for your ad to go on the front page of this site. So you actually can do that, and some of your ads will actually stay up here for actually I think it's 9 months, either 9 months or 90 days, something like that. And I'm gonna say this is a great platform for people that with low budget and stuff, and just want to start promoting their stuff and don't have a lot of money. And after I tell you the last one, I'm gonna give you my recommended way on doing this if you're on a low budget. So I'm gonna first I'm gonna tell you my number one way on making money online, what I would suggest, and I'm gonna tell you my recommended way on when you're low budget. So the other one is the free ad format. So this it would be just like free classified ads. So and as I said, you actually can pay or run free. Me basically, I have run all of my ads are free. All of my ads. I've never really paid them, but you can pay them up to I think it's $5 to $10. I think it's for additional you can pay much. It's either $5 for it your ads to go up to a year or something like that. So and you actually can pay for the premium as well. So and it actually $5. So and here's are some of the categories they have here. So in business opportunity, classes, community, job, real estate. So these are all ads that people are creating. And if you actually pay them, your ad can become on the front page here. So people actually can come on here and see your ads here if you pay them. Probably it's either $10 and stuff, and then people are gonna see your ads. So and that's for a low budget. That's actually cheap. That's pretty cheap, and it's gonna be here for like a year or depends on how long you pay for it and stuff. And this is how it's set up. So here's it. So as I said, these three, especially this tree site that I told you I've used, is pretty good, and I have get result from it, and I know other people that have get results from it. So please check out them if you're really interested. So I say enough about that. Um, my number one recommended way on say when you have a low budget on you want to say you want to make some money, you want to promote your affiliate program. So I would say in that case you build an audience on a social media or something like YouTube. So start creating videos around your platform, your niche. And if you want to know more about like a niche, what is a niche and stuff, um, the first link below this video is gonna be my number one way on making money online, and where I'm sending you after is a 15-day online business challenge where they're gonna teach you a lot. And I've been through that training, and I'm saying it's pretty amazing, guys. It's pretty amazing. So I would love if you guys go check out that. And as I said, I would love if you guys, when you say you're on a low budget, you can create, build a YouTube page, create a Facebook page, so join groups on Facebook and stuff. Start engaging with people that are interested in the product that you're promoting. Because you're on a low budget, so you just instead of putting in the cash, you put in the work. You're gonna put out work. You're gonna put out a lot of work. It's gonna take a lot of work, writing and stuff. Facebook and YouTube, I would say like it's the best, and you have other social media platforms out there. I probably in the near future I'm gonna create a video like on which platform is the best for getting free traffic and stuff. So and running free ads. So promoting yourself. Sorry, but Facebook and YouTube is good because guess what? On Facebook you actually can schedule your posts. So you can create actually 10 posts today, and then you can schedule them to go each day. And exactly same thing with YouTube. So you can create 10 videos and post them to go each day. So that will help you like if you don't have a time and you know you're working still. And like in my case, you can when you're on your day off or at home, you just create one or two videos, upload it, schedule it to go this time and watch. And joining groups on Facebook, then you know I'm in the make money niche, so I'm I'm gonna be joining groups like on Facebook, like how to make money online, affiliate programs and stuff. Affiliate. So in that case, I will be around people that are interested in making money online. And in that case, so I can tell them, say, hey, I know a way where I am making money, and I know you can make money too. And you have a great training and stuff, and say, yeah, and tell them about it. So that I would suggest, like on a low budget, that would be the best option for anyone that's on a low budget right now. And as I said, my number one recommended way on making money online would be the first link below this video. So please don't forget to check it out. And I hope you guys like this video. So please don't forget to like and comment and let me know. Let me know what you think about this video, and let me know what are the next topic you want me to create a video about. So it's your boy O'Brien Street, and I create videos about how to make money online and the tools that you need when you're making money. And I also create motivation quotes on social medias like Facebook and Instagram. So you can check out my page, my Facebook and Instagram page, if you want to be getting motivation quotes like every single day. So peace out.